Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to find the screen recorder, we need to open the control center so you can swipe from the top to the middle from the right side. And then somewhere you should be able to find this icon with the camera. So you want to press on this button in order to open the screen recorder menu. And now, of course, you can reposition the screen recorder if you want to, you can move it around. And in order to start recording, all you need to do is press this red button. And there we go. Now we are recording our screen and we can do whatever we want. We can press on this button over here in order to stop the recording, and we can see that the recording is now saved. We can press on this icon next to the cross in order to open the screen recorder settings, of course. And if you press this folder icon over here, then you will open the folder with all your recorded videos of your screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.